pinpoint idea. I used to require AI to develop this app for me, and I think it made some problems. That it used a Python Flask, this framework, to develop the whole app, but it cannot be deployed on the Cloudflare. So currently, I decide to change the whole framework from the Python Flask to the JavaScript, and I still want to deploy on the Cloudflare. So I will call my AI coding to change the whole framework for me. I used to think that maybe the Python flag is also okay, but Python flag can only be deployed on the render. The render has a problem that it needs some. This is the render. When I open the website, since no user use it for about 15 minutes, it will turn down the server. Next time when the user want to use it, they will need to wait for I think 1 or 2 minutes to turn on the whole server and the whole service. I think it's pretty tricky. I want to make a user friendly. Yeah, so I will call the AI to edit the code for me. It's my first time to meet such problem. It's really interesting that the AI changed the framework. This is generated by another AI. Yeah, this AI, it helped me to write a prompt that helped to convert the Python Flask to the JavaScript. Yeah. And I'm not sure is it a good choice to edit based on the current code or start a new project. I'm not sure. I need to ask AI. Okay, I think I need to write a new idea. I need to open a new folder that. Okay. Where is it? Cascade project. Okay, now I will read a whole new file. Yeah, that's our interesting life that we will need many time to do something and to write something, and then we will finally find that it's not useful. We need to change to another one like that. Yeah. Global environment. Okay, I open a new folder and I'll give it a brand new promote. Oh, I'm so tired. I'm not sure whether I should go to sleep or insist on it. So what I learned from it, what I learned is that I need to really tell the AI what type of framework is required, what type of framework I hope it can do for me. I should not make it to decide the framework for myself, or it will come up with a problem that you will choose some other framework that conflict with the web servers. Yeah. So I need to change my plan. Hopefully, I hope tomorrow I can finish deploying this app and also deploy another game. Yeah. And some of so tired and boring. I don't know what should I do during the stream. I wonder what you usually doing. Yeah, I'm watching my stream. Some of so tired and boring. I don't know what should I do during the stream. Okay, let's try something. What you usually doing? I already watching my stream. Yeah, it has delay for several minutes, for several seconds, and I can see my voice. Yeah, it's really make people tired. I think it's not so good. I think it's not so good. Yeah, I need to. Okay, let's try change the condition. I already watching my stream. Yeah, it has delay for several minutes, for several seconds, and I can see my voice. Yeah, it's really make people tired. I think it's not so good. Current YouTube is not so good. Yeah, I need to. Okay, let's try change the condition. I already watching my stream. Yeah, it has delay for several minutes, for several seconds, and I can see my voice. Yeah, it's really make people tired. I think it's not so good. Current YouTube is not so good. Yeah, I need to. Okay, let's try change the condition. I already watching my stream. Yeah, it has delay for several minutes, for several seconds, and I can see my voice. Yeah, it's really make people tired. I think it's not my YouTube stream. Current YouTube is not so good. Yeah. Oh my god. So anyway, let's try change the condition. I'll close it. Yeah, I'll close it too. But anyway, I still feel so boring when I wait for the coding. Yeah, I don't know what should I do. Maybe I should dancing for every people. I don't know. Or I should learn the code. Yeah, learning the code is a really good idea. Yeah, I think streaming really requires pretty high energy. You need to, yeah, when you just sit here and speak to others, and you have to be pretty concentrated and very high energy. And if you feel sleepy yourself, I think others will also feel much more sleepy. I find some new ideas. Maybe I should. Maybe we can discuss with the AI about the technical details of my future games, so I don't need to. Yeah, I can learn it. I can learn it. Yeah, I think that's a very good point about streaming. That when I'm doing streaming, I cannot. When I'm not doing streaming, I may play with my mobile phone or reading novels or doing something. But since I'm streaming, yeah, I can only look at my computer and wait for AI to finish the app for me. But I really need some time to wait for it, and I feel so boring during that time. I need to find something for me. Yeah, I think maybe yeah, learning something is good, I think. I think I need to go to sleep. Okay, I currently designing the another game, the endless running game, that someone is driving a car on the high speed, how to say that, on the high speed way anyway, and when it meet the treasure or meet the diamond, it can get more scores, and when it meet the another another cars, and they will meet the accident, and then the game ends. Yeah, and this game I plan to also just create the MVP games, and after that, when it have a pretty high daily activity, I will then change to a better game design. Yeah, and also currently I'm requiring AI to design the game development prompt for me, and also I need it to design the audio, yeah, the game audio. See, AI already designed the game prompt for me, and also this is the audio for it, and this is a image. Yeah, this is the many image promote. I will use all this promote to design the both music and also the games, and also many things. And at another time, AI is helping me to develop this new app to help user find the idea from Reddit. User can input their keyword and subreddit name, that what type of keyword you want to explore from the subreddit, and then the AI will help you to collect the most upvoted posts, and then help to find the business idea, summarize it, and then generate the business plan for it. The user can then get the business plan and make their own business decision. I plan to use this app first for me. Yeah, I think every app I should think is pretty useful for myself. Firstly for me, and then I will also generate other business plan for others, for other solo member company, so that the founder do not need to hire for the coach. They can use this business plan to create their own business idea. Actually, I already developed this for about 7 hours, but I met something very tricky, that AI used to use the Python Flask to develop the whole app. I'm not familiar with this framework and also the deployment. And after I develop all this, I find that the Python Flex framework cannot be deployed to the Cloudflare, so I decided to change to rewrite the whole code from very beginning. It will be much more easier compared with changing out the whole framework. Okay, I need to get my Mistral API. I will then stop the streaming for several seconds because I need to get my Mistral API and it's a secret for me. Relates to the security and something. Okay, see you later. After I finish my secret API setting, I will come back. I think